Welcome to chapter 4 of AWS CDK in action. In this chapter, we are going to create a full stack to-do application using React Express and some AWS services. You are going to replace our DynamoDB for a RDS instance, and we are also going to add ACM and Route 53 into our application because if you guys recall correctly, in the previous chapter, we had to do some manual steps such as replacing the backend URL in our React application. So in order for us to fix this, we're going to use ACM and Route 53. And okay, so in order for us to run this code, first thing we need to do is go into this config.json file and replace the domain name for the one you created. And okay, with that done, next step is to open a terminal into the infrastructure folder as well as in the web folder and run yarn. This will install all the necessary dependencies. And with that done, into the web terminal, we can also run yarn build to build our React app. Okay, with that done, the next step is to run yarn CDK deploy to deploy our stack. Okay, the stack was synthesized. This is the summary of everything that is going to be changed and created on AWS. So we just press Y and enter, and now we just wait for CDK to deploy everything. Okay, with that done, now we have the stack output right here, but let's ignore this output here for a moment, and let's go back into our config.json file, and let's copy our backend subdomain, and now let's go into our browser. So in here, in our CloudFormation console, we can see that the stack was really deployed, and let's open another tab and paste our backend URL right here. And in my case, complete the rest with sandbox.westpoint.io. And with that, we can see the return of all of the items inside our RDS instance. And now let's change backend here to frontend. And there we go. We have our React app, and we can add a to-do here, for example, a to-do item. So let's write a second to-do test description. Okay, so let's add, and there we go. There we have our CDK stack deployed and fully automated, not needing to add anything manually into our React app. So yeah, next step is to destroy our stack. So let's go back into our VS Code, and now we can just run yarn CDK destroy, passing the profile as usual. And yeah, we will be prompt to accept if we want to really destroy that stack. We press Y here, and now we just wait for CDK to destroy everything. Okay, with that done, our stack was destroyed, and see you guys on chapter 5.